Hi, good afternoon. It's me again. I just want to give you an update with this concrete footpath construction. So today I have prepared strip 7 and strip number 5, and I'm gonna pour it tomorrow if we have nice weather like today. So probably I'm gonna consume about 6 buckets of builder's mix and maybe about 6 liters of cement, and just varies on water, depends on what moisture content of builder's mix. Yeah, I'm happy with the progress so far, and hopefully I can finish this by the end of August, so I can start with the next job I'm planning to do. To my subscribers, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, I hope you like my short presentation of what I did so far, and thank you for watching, and please be safe, and see you tomorrow, hopefully, if it won't rain tomorrow. So bye for now, and again, see you tomorrow. God bless, and please be safe wherever you are, wherever you go, whatever you do. Please be safe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. I just showing you the Formworks or shutter. I put it inside underfloor, so I'm gonna pour it as well tomorrow. Yeah, so far so good. The weather is so beautiful today. Alright, friends, see you tomorrow again. Bye.